Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jennifer Berdon Alberto. I live in Antipolo, Rizal, Philippines. I am 38 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children, ages 20, 18, and 17 years old. I have work abroad experience, 6 years in Saudi, 2 years in Kuwait. My main duty is cooking, gardening, car washing, marketing, clean the house, ironing, clean the dishes, taking care elderly, and taking care of children. I am willing to work with other helpers. I'm trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible. My preferred job is taking care of newborn babies. Please, Mom, check my profile in Helpers Library. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Good day.